How to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch TikTok application on your phone. So from your for you section, you can simply choose a random video, and at the top right side you will find your profile. Simply you can select the plus button and then start following that user. Or if it's not happening that way, you can easily proceed there to their profile by tapping the profile icon as well and tap on the follow button. In order to unfollow, simply you can tap on the person like icon, and then a menu bar appear where you can add a preferred name or you can simply unfollow. So tap unfollow and unfollow this user. Similarly, you can proceed towards your profile at bottom right corner and then choose the following list. And then here you can choose any user. Suppose let's choose the second one and tap the three dots, or simply you can tap the following button and unfollow them. In order to follow them back, you need to select the follow button again and follow them. So that is how we unfollow and follow people on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.